Hello and welcome to Food Barbecue. Let's make some pork chops and hasselback zucchini. Okay, so first off, of course, you need to cut the zucchini. I took 2 zucchinis and cut them in half, and then I sliced 2/3 of the way down in thin slices. It's up to you how thick slices you want. Then I've got a small Parmigiano Reggiano cheese that I'm just slicing into thin slices, and I'm putting 1 slice in every other slot. And the leftover cheese I just put on top. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then I just put a dash of garlic infused oil on top of there and into the oven, 390 for about 45 minutes. Once they were in there, I cut up a boneless pork tenderloin that I trimmed, seasoned with salt and pepper on one side, put them in a skillet. Missed putting in the skillet part, but oh well. So I'm using the mesquite pepper, and then into a skillet with a little bit of butter, and then I seasoned the other side once they were in there. Getting a sear on them on both sides. Then I'm putting them in a small glass oven-proof dish, and frying them all up. Putting them in the oven, so maybe 35 minutes the pork chops were in there. I put them underneath the zucchini, and this is what it looked like when it came out. Drizzling a little bit of the butter oil mixture from the pork chops and a little bit of salad, and time for a taste test. There we go, pork chops and hasselback zucchini. It's really good. Very hot, but really good. Thank you for watching. Bye.